Coastal Craft Film channel. So this is a continuation from our previous video where I unboxed this Switch Lite Essential Pack. Now we're going to be putting on the tempered case and the rubber case for the Nintendo. So let's get started. This pack came with two tempered screen protectors. It also comes with a sticker and the wipes, so you can wipe your Nintendo to make sure it's free from dust. So let's do that. Okay, so I have here an alcohol screen wipes. There's also like a credit card thing where you can use it to remove the bubbles, and there's a sticker. So let's use this. Actually came with like a screen cleaner as well, so that's really nice. So let's clean the screen, and I'm gonna use an alcohol wipe. So let's clean up this screen. And let's dry it off using this. So this is the tempered screen protector. I'm going to peel it and attach it to the screen right now. I'm using my other hand to record, so sorry if it's a little bit shaky. Oh no, I think I messed up. So let's take it off. And I see so I had to refocus because I messed up the application, so let me see if I can do this right. Okay, so I finally finished putting the tempered glass. It took me like probably 7 to 8 tries. I had to like remove it a couple times because of the bubbles, but I finally managed to attach it without any bubbles. So let me show you the final look. So there you go. It doesn't have any bubbles. And we have an extra tempered glass in case this one breaks. So the next thing I'm gonna do is use this rubber case. So this is the rubber case. So it's the same color, and let's put it in. Trying to do this gently so I don't ruin the bottoms. So there's bottoms in the top. I should have put that first. So let me try to remove this, and you would have to put this first so it doesn't get ruined. So I started it over and I inserted this area first, and there you go. It's really nice looking. You lost the design in the back, but it protects the thing, so that's okay. So let me go ahead and put in this rubber things for the controller to protect it. It came with a bunch. I'm not really sure what these are for. The rest are for. Oh, okay, so these are for the bottom ones. So as you can see, I think this one is for here. I think it just comes in like 3 types. This one is the thickest one. There's a medium thickness, and this is the thinnest one. So I'm not really sure what I'm going to use. If you want to like use a really thick one, you can do that, but I don't think I'm going to use that. I'm going to use the medium thickness for the joysticks. The first one in. Now let's do the next one. What to do is just attach it in the lip, and I twist it so, and it becomes snug. Alright, so I got them both in, and this one I'm just gonna keep the rest of this as an extra. This is the final look of our Nintendo Switch with the accessories. So I'm gonna try to put this up here. Put it this way. Overall, it looks really snug. It looks like it fits well, but I think over time this thing would wear and you're gonna lose this small piece of rubber. But as of now, it's all nice and good. You could put this in. I think I've also read this in the reviews that this flap will like wear this part, so I'm not really sure if, let's see here. So when you close it, let's see. So you could put that there, and then you can, the rest of the accessories goes here. I have this case, and there's a cleaner. I got the charger, the pen, and so you can put all that in the zipper or in the pouch over here. So that is the final look of our Nintendo case. I hope you like this video, and I purchased this on Amazon. I will link the product in the description. As you can see, there's a rubber handle here. Thank you for watching. You have a great